How to do a private Facebook live stream. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to live stream to some specific friends on Facebook. So if you just want to live stream for some specific friends, first thing you have to do is go to what's on your mind and then go to live video. Once that is done, make sure you allow camera access. And on the top left corner of your screen, you'll find the friends option or public, depending on what you have set up. Click on the drop down, and from here you're able to change it to public, friends accept. So if you want to exclude some friends, you could do that, or just show to some specific friends, you can tap on specific friends and select your friends that you want to show the live stream to, and then tap on done. Don't forget to tap on save. And now you can tap on go live. And if you don't want to share this to your story, go ahead and turn off the story share as well. Tap on done. Tap on go live, and now your live stream will start and will only be streamed to these specific friends. That's basically how you do a private live stream on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.